Hello, my correct people. Today matter strong go. Yes. Any problem wey person dey get today, him go say na village people, spiritual attack, enemies. Him go begin dey cast, him go begin dey bind. Yes. Person go go exam unprepared and fail the exam, him go say village people. Person no go work hard, him go say village people. Person go choose wrong woman, him go blame village people. Yes, but make we tell ourselves the truth. Sometimes na we dey cause our problems by ourselves, no be village people all the time. Na me be your correct street and guy man papa, Daberechukwu Nwaneri. This cap wey you dey see so, many things dey inside. Cool down, make am yarn you why most times na we dey cause am. I no disprove the fact say sometimes we get enemies, but the greatest enemy of oneself is himself. Okay now, most of the times people dey take bad decisions in life. Sometimes people no dey like take advice. Person go use im savings and capital go bet for ticket. When im money go cut, im go say village people, because im want shortcut and stress-free life. Okay now. 2. Laziness dey wear spiritual clothes. Yes. Some people go wake up around 12 noon for morning. They no get skill. They no get plan. They are not consistent in something they are doing. Then go begin dey look for who to blame. Say person dey hold them. Wrong relationship can destroy destiny. Of course, wrong choice of partner fit make you lose focus. Also, it can destroy businesses, peace, and opportunities. Instead of you to learn your lesson, you go dey shout spiritual attack. Another one be say life itself dey get spiritual battles most of times, but make we try balance am. Before you go dey blame other people, look inwards, check yourself, and know whether na you be the architect of your problem. Yes, if you truly know say one time in your life you don do heavy mistake and you go dey blame village people, write am here for comment section. Also, in conclusion, spirituality and wicked people dey. There is no dispute about that. But you have to check yourself and amend your ways before you start to dey blame village people. I go need you make you write your point also for the comment section. Yes, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Na your Kaiman and Street Papa, Daberechukwu Nwaneri. See you next time for our next topic.